Thank you for visiting my channel. Today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to zoom text effect in FILMORA X. Stay tuned at the end of the video where I'll provide you an outline of everything we've done for you to take a snapshot of and use for future reference. Also, I'll show you some extra little tips and tricks to add a little dazzle to it. Okay, with FILMORA X opened, let's begin. Go to Sample Media, Sample Colors, and drag black to the first timeline. Go up to Titles, Included, go down to Titles, and select the title and drag it on top of your black background. Double-click your title. Press Advanced. Rename your title. Change the font to Mark Pro Heavy. Select your font size between 120 to 150. I find 150 works best. And press OK. Take a snapshot. Delete both clips in the timeline. Go back up to Media, Project Media, and drag your new title down to the second track. Right-click and choose Crop and Zoom. Choose Pan and Zoom. Reduce the size of this box to the smallest it'll go and place it as close to the middle as possible as long as it is covering the white space of a letter. And choose OK. Now go up and drag your image or video below your new title. Resize it so it's the same. Double-click your title. Under Compositing, go down to Blending Modes and choose Multiply. And press OK. Now let's add some audio to it. Go up to Audio, choose a clip, line them up. Since this is very long, I'm going to cut it so they're all the same length. Now let's add a second title. First, shorten your Zoom title. Go up to Titles. Choose another title. I'll just use the same. Bring it down. Next to your Zoom title, line them up. Double-click your title. Go ahead and change the name. And you can move it around and press OK. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to take a screenshot of the outline. Be sure to watch my next videos. I hope to see you again.